class 9 and 10 students. Today I will give you an example on the blackboard. I will write an example on the blackboard. Boy said, I like my First of all, I will give you an example and I write it on the board. Do you notice what type of example is it, and it is from which section of grammar? Yes. Today I am going to take a class on narration. First of all, I write the subject lesson NARATI. Narration. Okay. Today my class is on narration. Narration or speech means ukti. You have already know what is narration. General statement of a speaker is called narration. There are two types of narration. One is direct speech or narration, and the another is indirect. And this sentence is in direct narration. And when I change it, then it will be indirect narration. Okay. So I tell that there are two types of narration: direct narration and the indirect narration. It is the direct narration when a speaker describes the speaker's speech accurately, like him, it is called direct narration. And when the narrator describes the speaker's speech in his own language, it is called indirect narration. Okay. And in this indirect narration, there are two parts. You remember that there are two parts in a direct narration. One is reported speech, reporting verb, and the another is reporting speech. Reporting verb always take place out of the inverted comma, and the reported speech always take place in inverted comma. It is in inverted comma. So which is our reporting verb? This is our reporting verb. Reporting verb. In reporting verb, there is a subject, a verb, and an object. And this one is our reporting speech. Reporting speech. Okay. Now, first of all, we find out what is our reporting verb and what is our reporting speech. If the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, in the indirect narration, the reported speech will be not change in tense. যদি আমাদের রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স অথবা ফিউচার টেন্সে থাকে, যেমন the boy says অথবা or the boys will say, then we will not change the tense of reporting speech. So when we find the reporting verb is in past tense, যখন আমরা দেখব যে আমাদের রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা past tense এ দেওয়া আছে, তখন আমরা কি করব? রিপোর্টিং স্পিচের টেন্স গুলো চেঞ্জ করব। Then we will change the reporting tense of reporting speech. So our first rules of narration is we must change the tense in indirect narration. So our first rule is to change the tense of reporting speech. Okay. If the direct narration, indirect narration. Okay. If the reported speech, RS means reporting speech. If the reporting speech in present tense, we must change the reporting speech. In indirect narration, the reporting speech will be changed in past indefinite tense. Okay. If the reported speech in present continuous tense continuous tense, যদি আমাদের রিপোর্টিং স্পিচটা যদি ডিরেক্ট নারেশনে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে থাকে তাহলে then we will change it to reporting speech will be changed in past continuous tense. Okay. If the reporting speech in present perfect tense, it will be changed in indirect narration in past perfect tense. Reporting speech in past perfect tense. Perfect tense. Okay. If the reporting speech in perfect continuous tense, it will be changed in past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now I will give you another things of direct narration. Okay. I think all of you write down, and it is in your grammar book. You will find it in your grammar book. Now I write some auxiliary verbs. If the auxiliary verbs are in, if we find the auxiliary verbs in direct narration, N means narration. If we find M is R in direct narration, M is R in direct narration, we will change it in indirect narration, was or were. Okay. If was or were, then you will change it in have been. If the auxiliary verb in direct narration was were, you will change it had been in indirect narration. Have, has, change in had, have been, has been, will be, change it, had been. Had been. If the sentence auxiliary verb in must, it will be change in had been. If you keep it in must, it's okay. Okay. It is our auxiliary verbs. There is something, another rules. If the sentence is in past indefinite tense, if you write the direct narration in past indefinite tense, past indefinite, if the direct narration in reporting speech in past indefinite tense, you will change it in past perfect tense. Reported speech, change it in past perfect tense. Perfect tense. Okay, it is clear to all of you. If the sentence is in, if you will find no auxiliary verbs, okay, past perfect. If there is no auxiliary verbs, if in reporting speech in direct narration there is no auxiliary verbs, and the main verb is in present tense. Main verb in reporting speech, the main reporting speech, the main verb in present form, you change it in past indefinite tense. Change the reporting speech. In reporting speech, you change the verb in past tense. Past tense. Okay. These are the basic rules of direct narration to indirect narration. Now I will give you some examples. It is clear to all of you. If you practice the 5 sentences, assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory sentence, you will it will be easy to you to change the passage narration. Okay, first of all you must learn how to change the assertive direct narration to indirect direct narration. Okay, I will give you some example. The boy said, I like my teachers. Okay. In this sentence, what is our reporting verb? The reporting verb is in past tense. So we must change the reporting speech. What is reporting speech? In the inverted comma, this part we will say say reporting speech, and the first one out of the inverted comma is called the reporting verb, and there is a subject, verb, and sometimes there is an object. Okay. The boy said, I like my teacher. In this sentence, the sentence is in past tense. So we must change the reporting speech in past indefinite tense. In indirect narration, indirect narration I write the boy said. If you write said, it is okay. If you write told, actually we write we write told when it is said to. Okay. Now we write said. The boy said, and now we in the change of comma we used an conjunction. That is, in assertive sentence we use the conjunction that, and it is change of comma. কমার চেঞ্জে আমরা কি ইউজ করলাম, অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সে আমরা কি ইউজ করলাম, দ্যাট ইউজ করলাম। দ্য বয় সেড দ্যাট হি লাইকড হিজ টিচার্স। Okay, the sentence is in present tense. I change in indirect narration, I change it into past indefinite tense. Liked, like এর past tense কি, আমাদের লাইকটা কি সে চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেল, লাইট past tense হয়ে গেল। Okay, and you have some queries the teacher, why it is he and why it is his. I will told you next I will told you about the person change in direct narration to indirect narration. If the sentence in the direct narration if the person is first person, the first person always follows the subject of reporting verb. If the in the reporting speech the person is first person means I, we, they. I, we, and the plural number they. Okay, they always follows the subject of reporting verb. তোমরা সব খেয়াল রাখবে যে যদি তোমার ইনভার্টেড কমার মধ্যে ফার্স্ট পারসন থাকে, ফার্স্ট পারসন মিন্স আই, উই and they, plural নাম্বারে হচ্ছে they. If the person first person, the first person always follows the subject of the reporting verb. যে ফার্স্ট পারসনটা সবসময় কাকে ফলো করে, যে রিপোর্টিং ভার্বে আমাদের যে সাবজেক্ট আছে তাকে ফলো করে। তারপরে তার মানে আমাদের সাবজেক্ট কি, হোয়াট ইজ আওয়ার সাবজেক্ট হিয়ার, দ্য বয় মিন্স হি। ওকে, and my is the possessive of I, তাহলে then it will be also changing his. হি এর জন্য আমরা তাহলে মাইটাকে কি করে দিলাম, হিজ এ চেঞ্জ করে দিলাম। ওকে, the person change in his. If I give you another examples, it will be very clear to all of you. He said to me, I am reading a novel. No. Look at the board. In this sentence, in this direct narration, there is a reporting verb. This whole part is reporting verb. I call this reporting verb because and in the reporting verb there is a subject, verb and an object. In the inverted comma, this part is called reporting speech. I again repeat that this part is called reporting speech and this part is called reporting verb. Now I change it. In this sentence, you see that he said to me. Said to, it is in past tense. And if you use said to, it is okay. If you write told in spite of said to, if you write told in spite of said to, যদি তুমি said to এর পরিবর্তে told লিখো সেটাও হবে, আর যদি তুমি মনে করো যে আমি said to ই রাখবো সেটাও হবে। He said to me. In this sentence, first person follow the subject. Okay, now I change in he. He said to me. What is our conjunction in assertive sentence? That. In he said to me that, or you will use told. It up to you. তুমি কোনটা ইউজ করবে সেটা তোমার উপরে, তুমি সেড টুও লিখতে পারো, টোল্ডও লিখতে পারো। he said to me or told me that he, and in the reporting speech the sentence is in present continuous tense. So subject I go to the subject he. So I change in he, and the sentence in the present continuous tense I will change it into past continuous tense. He was reading a novel. Okay, there is any query in you? I again repeat that. He said to me, in inverted comma, I am reading a novel. This part is reporting verb, and this in the inverted comma, this part is called reporting speech. In the reporting speech is in present continuous tense, so we must change it into past continuous tense. In the now you look at the board. Here is first person, so first person I. So it always, I told you already, I told you that first person always follow the subject of reporting verb. Subject, what is our subject here? He. He change the I, and it is now he. In indirect narration, I will change it into he. He was reading a novel. Okay. It is clear to all of you. Okay. I write another example. I was writing a letter to you. I was writing a letter to you. Okay. In this sentence, here is our subject. In reporting speech, our subject he and our object you. If I find there is I, first person, it goes to the subject he. Okay. Then I change it into he, and our sentence is in past continuous tense. This reporting speech is in past continuous tense. And in my studying of my class, I told you to if in indirect narration, direct narration we find was or were, we must change it into had been, had. Okay, we change it into had been. He said to me that he had been. He was is changed into had been. He had been writing a letter to. Now I told you, if we find second person in the reporting speech, if second person in the reporting speech, the second person must go to the object of the reporting verb. সেকেন্ড পারসন যদি থাকে, রিপোর্টিং স্পিচে যদি সেকেন্ড পারসন থাকে, তাহলে সেকেন্ড পারসন কোনটা? আমাদের সেকেন্ড পারসন হচ্ছে, সেকেন্ড পারসন কোনটা? ইউ অলওয়েজ ফলোজ দ্য অবজেক্ট, নট মি. হোয়াট ইজ ইন অবজেক্ট? ইউ অলওয়েজ ফলো হিম. Here our object is me, so you change into me. আমাদের এখানে অবজেক্ট কি দেওয়া আছে? মি দেওয়া আছে. ইউটা কার কাছে যাবে? সব সময় যাবে সেকেন্ড অবজেক্টের কাছে, রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের অবজেক্টের কাছে যাবে। এটা তোমরা খুব খেয়াল করে দেখবে, যে তাহলে ন্যারেশন ইনশাআল্লাহ আর কোনো ভয় থাকবে না। ইউ go to the me, object me. Here our object is me, so I change it into he had been writing a letter to me. Okay, it is our person change. If the person is in we always follows the subject of reporting verb. Okay. Now I give you another example of বেশি amount. He said to me that the student said to the teacher, comma, teacher, I write inverted comma, I cannot understand the sum. Okay. Now you look at here. What is our reporting verb? Our reporting verb is in past tense. Here is the subject, the students, and object, the teacher. And in reporting speech, I cannot understand the sum. Here our auxiliary verb is in model auxiliary can. Okay, I find it is our auxiliary verb. It will be model auxiliary can, and it is in present form. Can ta kishe ache? Amader present tense ache. Okay, now I change it. Please look at the board. The student said to or told, any one you will use. I here use told. The student told the teacher. What is our conjunction? It is assertive sentence, so I will use that. That use korbo. That I follows the subject. Okay, I follows the subject of reporting verb. The subject, what is our subject? The student, means he. He can. In reporting speech, the can is in present form. দেখো ক্যানটা রিপোর্টিং স্পিচে প্রেজেন্ট ফর্মে আছে, তাহলে আমি ক্যানটাকেই পাস্ট টেন্সে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, কারণ আমরা বলেই দিয়েছি যে যদি রিপোর্টিং স্পিচ প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সে থাকে তাহলে আমরা কি করব, পাস্ট টেন্সে নিয়ে যাব। তাহলে নাও আই চেঞ্জ ইট ইনটু পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স। হি কুড নট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড is not changed. I change the model. I change the model into past indefinite tense. Can, could. Understand the sum. Is it clear? The student told the teacher, অথবা say to লিখতে পারো তুমি, the student told the teacher that he could not understand the sum. Is it clear to you? Okay. Next, if you find modal auxiliaries in the present reporting speech, you change them in past indefinite tense, past tense. Can, could. If there is shall or will in direct narration, you will find shall will in direct narration. Direct narration এ যদি তুমি shall will পাও তাহলে সেটা ইনডিরেক্টে কি হয়ে যাবে? ইনডিরেক্ট নারেশনে কি হয়ে যাবে? ইনডিরেক্ট নারেশনে হচ্ছে তোমার কি হয়ে যাবে? would. Shall, will. You will find shall or will in direct narration. যদি তুমি direct narration shall অথবা will পাও তাহলে it will change in direct narration would. Can, could. Direct narration এ ক্যানটা কি হয়ে যাচ্ছে? could. May, might. Okay. May, might. Now I will give you another examples. There are some special in the special sentences in the tense in the narration. The teacher said the sun rises in the east. Here. In this sentence, our reporting verb is here past tense, and the reporting speech is in present tense. It is not only present tense; it is a universal truth. If the reporting speeches are universal truth, যদি আমাদের রিপোর্টিং স্পিচগুলা মানে চিরন্তন সত্য হয়, ইউনিভার্সাল ট্রুথ মিনস চিরন্তন সত্য হয় যদি, তাহলে সেটা টেন্সের কোনো চেঞ্জ হবে না। ঠিক যেই প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সে থাকলে প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সে হবে, ইউনিভার্সাল ট্রুথগুলো কখনোই আমাদের ইনডিরেক্ট করার সময় চেঞ্জ হবে না। আই উইল চেঞ্জ ইট, এখন আমি এটাকে চেঞ্জ করব। দ্য টিচার said conjunction that you must use conjunction. In assertive sentence we use our conjunction that. The teacher said that the sun not rose, the sun rises, because it is the sentence is the universal truth. Universal truth কিন্তু কখনোই চেঞ্জ হবে না। rises in the east. Okay, it is our assertive sentence. Now I give you some examples from the interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence say said, direct narration is said or said to, said or said to যেটাই থাক, said or said to চেঞ্জ হয়ে কি হয়ে যাবে asked, K-E-D, asked. In the interrogative sentence, when the sentence is in interrogative, then we will not use said to or told, then we will use asked. Okay, and the conjunctionটা আমাদের কি হবে if you will use if in the interrogative sentence if the sentence is used in if the sentence is in auxiliary verbs. যদি সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে auxiliary verb দেওয়া থাকে তাহলে আমরা কি ইউজ করব if লিখব, আর যদি auxiliary verb দেওয়া না থাকে WH কোশ্চেন দেওয়া থাকে তাহলে আমরা আর if ইউজ করব না, WH কোশ্চেন দিয়ে ইন্টারোগেটিভ করব। ওকে, he said to me, he said to me, are you ill, question mark. Okay, here is our reporting verb, it is in past tense, and our reporting speech in present form. Okay, reporting speechটা আমাদের কিসে আছে প্রেজেন্ট ফর্মে আছে, এবং তুমি একটু ডিফারেন্সটা খেয়াল করো। He said to me, are you ill? Another one is he said to me, why are you late? Why are you late? Okay, here I write two sentence in interrogative. দেখো আমি এখানে দুইটা সেন্টেন্স ইন্টারোগেটিভে আমি দুইটা সেন্টেন্স লিখেছি, and what is the difference between two sentence? Here I use in the starting of the interrogative sentence I use are auxiliary verb, and in my second sentence I use WH question, why দিয়ে আমি আমার সেকেন্ড কোশ্চেনটা শুরু করেছি, and here I use auxiliary verb. The difference, you look at the difference. He said to me লিখবো নাকি asked? Now I write not said to. In interrogative sentence I used asked. He asked me. In reporting verbs, he is our subject and me is our object, and said to is our said to is in past tense. Now I use in indirect narration I use he asked me if, and the conjunction, what I use in conjunction, I use if, because the sentence start with auxiliary verb. He asked me if I, youটা কার কাছে যাবে? Where you will go to the object, and my object is me, so me change in I. He asked me, I was ill, because it is in present form are, so are change in was, I was ill. Okay, is it clear? He asked me if is the conjunction, it is the conjunction because here I start the sentence with auxiliary verb, so I use if. And you always, second person always goes to the second person always goes to the object. Okay, here my object is me, so you change in me, তাহলে ইউটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে কি হয়ে যাচ্ছে? me তো আমি লিখতে পারি না যে he asked me me was ill, so my correct form is he asked me if I was ill. And in my second sentence, I again write, he asked me, why are you late? Now I don't use if, now I write the why. WH question যদি থাকে তাহলে আমি WH questionটাকেই রাখবো, why. And here my in reporting speech, my second person goes to the reporting verbs object me. He asked me why it is in present form এ কি এটা আর আছে, তাহলে এটা past indirect narration এ কি হয়ে যাচ্ছে? was. why I was, I এর সাথে was যাচ্ছে, why আর কখনোই যাবে না, why I was late. And here I don't use interrogative sign. আমি কিন্তু indirect narration এ কখনোই, আমি ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে আমি কখনোই কিন্তু ইনডিরেক্ট নারেশনে কোশ্চেন মার্ক ইউজ করব না, I always use full stop. Okay, today up to this, inshallah in my next class I will speak on another sentences and another sentences in narration. আমি আমার নেক্সট ক্লাসে তোমাদেরকে ন্যারেশনের উপরে আরো অন্যান্য সেন্টেন্সের উপরে কথা উইল টক অ্যাবাউট. টুডে আপ টু দিস, all of you in this pandemic situation, all of you stay home and use mask when you go out. I say goodbye to all of you. Okay, assalamu alaikum.